Hello everybody, I'm back and today I'm going to continue with some tips of English. So the last two videos I talked about the sound of TH and I told you that there are two very different sounds for the same TH letters. So we talked about the sound of kind of S but with the tongue out of your mouth. Yeah, I know it's embarrassing, but that's how it is. So we saw words like thank you, think, thought. So instead of thought, there are people who say taught. You would be wrong because taught is the past of teach, and thought, I thought about you, is the past of the verb to think. So we saw that in the two previous videos. So I'd like to encourage you to go to my channel, Encouragement and Powers, and you can see the two last videos which talk about the TH sound, but with this letter S sound, but with your tongue out of your mouth. That's how you make the correct sound of TH for some words. So today we are going to learn the other sound of TH, which is a kind of Z sound, Z, Z, like in India they say Z, but it's the same letter. And the sound is the same, Z. So you put your tongue out and you make the sound of Z. Z. Can you try? Z. So we have some words, and if you don't pronounce it in the correct way, maybe you are thinking you are saying these words in a way, but unfortunately you are saying another thing. Okay, so let's see. So we can see here the sound of TH, and it's a kind of Z, Z. But if you have a good English dictionary, so you can have an Oxford, Cambridge, let me see, yeah, Oxford and Cambridge is good. So you can see in front of each word, between the slashes, you will see some symbols that most of people don't understand them. Those symbols represent the sounds of each word, of each letter. If you know those sounds, you will never mispronounce a word anymore. Okay? So my idea here is to give you some tips on that, to help you with those sounds, for you to recognize them in any word. And you will be able to pronounce words in a correct way all the time. Or if you have doubts, you can go to these good dictionaries and you can see in front of each word, again, between the slashes, you will see those symbols. So my idea is to keep teaching you those symbols, okay? So let's just go ahead with this TH sound with the idea of Z, okay? The sound of Z, but Z with your tongue out, okay? So I put here some words. So here we have this. This is the singular of these. So later on, I will talk about the sound of this between consonant sounds, letter I, okay, and consonant sounds, letter E. So this first one here, this is a short sound, this. And the last sound is letter S. But for these is a little bit longer, these. And the last sound is the sound of Z, these. So this first one is this. And the second one, these. Okay, one very important thing is this. In English, any word that finishes with letter E, that E is silent. So you will never say these. Never. It's like that last E is not there. You have to write it, please, but you are not gonna pronounce it, okay? So you're gonna say these. You stop in the, right? We'll see this later on in other videos, okay? More and more, and you'll be able to learn it, okay? But for now, these two words, this and these, they have TH, you see? And the sound is th, th. So this is singular. This board is mine. Okay? If I had two boards, it would be these boards are mine. Okay? But the TH sound for both words is th. Okay? Let's see other examples. So we have here that, or that, if you want. It's okay. But the TH sound is the same. That. So that is the singular of those. You see, those finishes with letter E, but it's a silent E. So we say those. Okay? Those. So that, those. So both are the sound. Okay? So here we have then and then. Yeah. So you have to know the meaning of them and the spelling to see the right pronunciation. If it is with letter A, it's a kind of very open sound like then or than, and it's a little bit longer than, like I am taller than my sister. Then. But this second one with letter E is a short sound, so it is then. I called to you yesterday. Then, as you weren't at home, I called my sister. So, two different meanings, two different sounds. Very similar. The only difference is that this one, letter A, letter E, the TH sound is the same. Then. Okay? Okay, so here we have more words. So let's see. Can you see well? Hope so. So we have the family here. We have father, TH, father, mother, brother. So father, mother, brother. My father, my mother, my brother. Yeah. You cannot say my father. Completely wrong, okay? My mother, my brother. No. My father, my brother, my mother. My father, my mother, my brother. Can you try with me? 1, 2, 3. My father, my mother, my brother. Very good. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Can you see this word? Rhythm. Can you follow the rhythm? Da 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 da. Rhythm. Oh, you have the wrong rhythm. Rhythm. Okay? Take a look at this. Feather. Where? Okay. Feather. leather. So take a look. Feather, E-A. Leather, E-A. Weather, E-A. Feather, leather, weather. V. Feather, leather, weather. Did you see the feather of that bird in that leather bag in this dry weather? You can try later on. I don't remember the sentence. I just make it up. Okay. Oh, a very known word. Together. 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 Never. I don't know the song, but it is that song. Together. Not together. It doesn't exist. Together. Okay? Okay. Oh, take a look at this. Other, others, another. In another video, I will talk about the difference of other, others, and another. Very important words. Okay? And the sound? V. Okay, take a look at this. So, you see these marks here in red? It's because there are similar words, but it changes. It's not the sound of z, th, but it will be the sound of th, but later on. But today, we have worthy, worthy, either or either. Okay, both are correct. Gather, bathe, bathing, clothing, breathe. So all of these words, all of them, you have to make the th like th. Again, worthy, either or either, gather, bathe, bathing, clothing, and breathe. Okay? And the word with, I told you in the other videos, later on, and I'll make another video just to show how to use the word with the two different th sounds, like with and with. I'll show you how to use it correctly, okay? So just to finish our video, I'm gonna read all the words just for you to listen and repeat after me. Can you do that? Okay. This, these, that, those, then, father, mother, brother, rhythm, feather, leather, weather, together, other, others, another, worthy, worthy, either, either, gather, bathe, bathing, clothing, clothing, breathe, and with. Okay? So these sounds are not easy, especially if in our own language, if we don't have them. In my own language, Portuguese, we don't have the th sound. We have to learn it. So for us, it's easy to say, instead of the or the, we say just the or the, and we would be saying these words in a wrong way. So for example, instead of father, Brazilians would say my father, and you would be wrong. So we have to learn it. But we can do that, you know? It doesn't matter which country you are from, you can do that. So I've been helping Korean friends and my Indian friends, and so each language has its own difficulties because because you know why, guys? There are no languages that have all the sounds. So we have to learn some sounds. And if you want to speak good English, you have to learn how to pronounce the TH sound. I'm sorry, a motorcycle has just passed here. So I'm going to say that again. If you want to learn good English, how to speak good English, you really have to learn the right pronunciation of the TH sound. Otherwise, again, you think you are saying something and you might be saying another thing. Okay? So I'd like to encourage you to keep checking on this and pronouncing again, and I'll keep coming and we'll keep talking about pronunciation, and I'll keep bringing more words of encouragement, more messages of encouragement. Okay, so good to see you all. So please subscribe and just share with your friends. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.